Hey guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength, and today I wanted to show you a fun way to roll that also feels good. And of course it feels good because it's rolling. But what we're gonna do is we're going to use skin contact to roll, or we're gonna roll while we get more skin contact. And I'll just shut up and show you what I'm talking about. So I'm gonna use my hands here, and wherever you put your hand or your arms is where we're going to roll. So if my arm is down here, I'm going to take this hand and I'm going to pick my head up and I'm just going to trace down my arm, getting that skin on skin contact there. And I'm going to keep reaching in that line of the arm and it's going to pull me over. And then when I get here, just going to undo it and come back and look. And so I'm going to rake my hand all the way up my arm across my chest and put my arm in the same position on the other side. And then I'm going to go across and just going to keep reaching the trajectory of my arm. And I'm going to let that pull me over. And then I'm just going to undo it. And so wherever you put your arm is kind of where you roll. So my arms are down about 45 degrees from my side, roughly. Now I'm going to go like 90 degrees, which is also perpendicular to my body. And you can start here, or you can just reach, like start the reach for your arm and just go down the angle of your arm and then undo it. And then you come all the way back across your body. And then you reach. Oh, it feels so good. And then this does feel amazing. You're welcome. You should do this all the time. And that was perpendicular, but look, we can go up. So I can, and this totally changes the roll. And that's why it's fun, because every time or every place you put your arm, you kind of change the roll a bit. And so, again, you can just stack wherever you want to put your arms. We can even try to challenge ourselves. I don't know. Never before seen on screen, but we'll see what happens. Oh, okay. Wow, that was actually kind of special. That really lengthened me up there. And then you go back. Wow, all right. So you look, I found something with you. We're friends now. And so, there we go. Oh yeah, that's good stuff right there. But that's simply it. You just, wherever you put your arm, you kind of just let that be your direction for your roll, and you get all this extra skin stimulation. And it just feels good, especially like, guys, this really felt, that's the stuff right there. Holy cow. Anyway, that's a great way to play, to put more oomph in your rolls, or to discover more inside of your rolls. Now, we could do this with our legs too, but that would take another person's legs, and well, this is a family show and not a family making show, so we're just not going to do that here. Anyway, it was a joke. It was funny. So, I'm sorry. Give that a shot. Give yourself a little extra tactile skin stimulation when you roll, using your arm location as your trajectory or the direction of your roll. I shouldn't say trajectory because I can't spell it, so I apologize. Anyway, guys, I'm Tim with Original Strength. Thanks so much for watching. I hope this was fun, and we'll see you next time.
To learn more, consider attending an Original Strength certification. Visit originalstrength.net for more information.